Let's take a look at this example. And basically what you can see here is the image I've got in my previous. So it can be many things. It could be a hair company, specific company, be a logo with a smile to illustrate customer happiness. So your logo by itself, it could be many different things. Now, say if you're doing a plumbing company or something, maybe you do a plunge and that'd be clearly obvious without any text on the company name. But in cases like this, you would need the company's name, and it would. This couldn't be used for. Let's see, a food company, unless the character had food in, or food. Wear this kind of outfit to eat food. You wouldn't really care about your hair that much to eat food. You know what I mean? You wouldn't really wear makeup, especially if you can eat food, like lipstick. So it has to make sense to what you're doing. Now, if he's making a flower company, and then maybe you had a flower next to this character, that would make sense. Very, like, not, is it very rough? Yes, especially is it rough. No, but yeah, obviously I'll be more articulate in the course that you can description below. But my point is like the logo should can do a logo that with the title of your company it makes sense. And sometimes your logo should be strong enough without the writing, but again it depends. Like let's take an example case study here. It's a golden M, golden arch. It doesn't have any food in it, but you know what it is? That's because the marketing it's done in its history. It's got that back in it. If you're making a logo, you haven't got that. So you either need to make it clear by the design, or if the design is kind of speculative, then you need to use your title and your fonts to make what you're selling. Okay, I had this video at 5 minutes, but thank you for watching.